Here we have a 2002 Ford Thunderbird. This is a one-owner, Carfax certified guaranteed vehicle with a flawless history, clean and clear title, in hand, in-house, ready to sign over. This vehicle has 12,000 original and documented miles. This vehicle has been dealer service since day one of ownership and is as nice as a pre-owned vehicle can possibly be. This vehicle is absolutely flawless, gorgeous color combination, very rare color for the T-Bird. This vehicle has all the books, all the keys, original window stickers, all the remotes, everything that came with this vehicle brand new at the dealership is with this vehicle. Original floor mats, tonneau cover is still in the bag in the trunk. Michelin tires are like brand new on the vehicle. Black tops in flawless condition. We are shooting this video in high definition, so if you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure to select the HD option while viewing it. The paint on this vehicle is absolutely unreal. Here at Davis Autosports, we have a 4-man reconditioning team. Their only position here is to recondition vehicles. Every one of our vehicles goes through a reconditioning program here. Some are 5 or 6 hours and some are literally a few days. This vehicle literally came in, it got traded today. We inspected it and we're now taking pictures and video. It's never happened. This vehicle came in exactly as shown. Phenomenal condition. Typically, even when vehicles come in extremely clean, we still put a coat of wax on it. By touching the paint, feeling the paint, it's already got a fresh coat of wax on it. Vehicle was garage kept. All the chrome is in perfect condition. All the glass is original. Absolutely as new as you can get. So the sun is shining down directly on the paint. Here's a great time to show you the paint. There's absolutely zero swirl marks in the paint. Vehicle has been extremely well taken care of. There is the sun shining directly on the paint. Typically you'll see a bunch of swirl marks in it. There's not one single swirl mark on this vehicle. Chrome rims are flawless, not one single defect. Take a look down the driver's side of the vehicle, it's absolutely 100% straight. Gorgeous vehicle. Beautiful metallic in the paint. Not sure how it's picking up on camera, but it's got a beautiful metallic when the sun hits it. All the headlights and fog lights are flawless, no oxidation, no condensation. There's not one single tiny rock chip anywhere on the hood. Color on this thing is really cool with the retro style car. You know, to see them in your typical modern colors, you know, isn't all that exciting, but to see it in this color is really cool. Side, absolutely as straight as can be all the way through. bits are 100% stain free. Leather seats are in phenomenal condition. Center console's flawless. Here's your tonneau cover still inside the bag. Here's your spare and everything, absolutely untouched. This bag was sealed, that's why we did not take it out. Also like to mention this vehicle has all the factory VIN plates, meaning that none of the panels have been replaced, and the vehicle has absolutely zero previous paintwork. All the paint on this vehicle is 100% original. Super clean engine bay, as it should be. Once again, factory issued VIN plate. Factory issued VIN plate. Super clean. That's from my hand right there. Nice detail in the Thunderbird. You got the turquoise color inside the wings, which is a really nice touch. Obviously got your buttons for your tonneau cover, which really makes the car look much better with it on. But like I said, I just wanted to keep it sealed in the bag. The vehicle has all the books and manuals in here. You have some additional stuff right here. You got your DVD, you have your load jack stuff, you have your brand new window sticker that came with the vehicle. You also have all your keys, all your remotes that obviously look brand new. They don't have a lot of wear on them. All your original Thunderbird key tags. 6-disc in-dash CD player. Super clean vehicle. Got a telescopic steering as well. There's your miles, 12,900 miles. Go ahead and put the top up for you guys to show that it works absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Has maintained its deep dark black color. There's not even a lot of canvas this top. They hold a lot of little debris pieces and everything else, but this top has nothing caught in it. Looks like it just came off the showroom floor. It's a beautiful top. Doesn't look like it's ever been rained on or any sort of wear and tear. All the stitching all the way through is absolutely perfect. Black top gives it a nice look too with it up. Just a beautiful car. We'll take it for a quick drive. Car drives 100%, 12,000 mile car, dealer service. Steering wheel Works exactly as it should. Go ahead and throw my seatbelt on. Ford makes perhaps the most annoying chime, but I guess that's the purpose of it. Go ahead and roll the windows down. Beautiful day here in Richmond, right around 70 degrees. We are located here at Richmond International Airport, so if you're interested in purchasing this vehicle and driving it home, we will be more than happy to pick you up. There's a quick shot of UPS loading up for the night over there. That over there is the actual runway to Richmond International Airport. We'll do a quick tour around the airport on the test drive. We also, obviously this probably isn't a vehicle if you live far away that you want to put the miles on and drive all over the place to keep the miles low, but we also ship out about 25 to 35 cars a month all over the country. So we will be more than happy to set up transportation, exposed and enclosed. Check out those needles, turquoise, just like the color of the vehicle, a nice little subtle touch. Dash obviously is perfect. I'm sure this car's never been redlined, but I'm going to go ahead and do it to show you that everything functions as it should. Super smooth. There's the millionaire hangar. It's where all the rich people keep their G4s and G5s and private little airplanes. Mine's over there as well. Just joking. Do a full turn of the wheel right here. Absolutely perfect. No power steering components acting up, making noises. Quick little shot of some of the hangars open. Obviously the point of getting on the car hard is just to show you that it functions as it should. Car should be able to handle full accelerations, no problem. So that's the reason that on these test drives we go pretty hard on the vehicle. No point of showing you the car go 20 miles an hour down the road at 1/8 of a throttle. Brakes are also very smooth, no vibration whatsoever. This vehicle literally drivability is 100%. There's zero issues. As you see cosmetically, it's as nice as a pre-owned car can possibly be. All original, all your keys, all your books, your window stickers. I mean, it's not that much different than buying a new car, besides paying a fraction of the price. So there you guys have it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly at 202-491-9929. You can also text me at that same number, which is probably the best way to get a hold of me. And you can also email me, jd@davisautosports.com. Thank you.